Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do this BMW car remote control. How to change the battery. First of all, there's look at the remote here. See the little thing here. You can press it down and just pull this thing out. Okay, push it down and pull it out. And then here you go. There's a thing here, right here. All right. Just push it and use no tools, just this, no screwdriver. Okay, now just hold this, push it in, just push it in. You hear the clip, and just pry it a little bit. There you go. This is all loose. See, there you go. You hear that? Now let's put it back and try again. Okay, it's flush. All right. Okay, there you go. Push it in. Push it in. You hear that? That's it. There you go. You don't have to put a lot of force here. See? You don't pry too much. You pry too much, you break this guy here. See? You don't break this. See? Just pry solid, just like that. A little bit force. That's it. There you go. And then here is the battery. You just take it out with a fingernail or something. That's it. There you go. You don't need tools. And then we got a new battery. Same thing. Let me get my new battery.
Here is my new lithium battery.
2450. Right? So this is my old battery here. Oh shoot. So this is my old battery here. 2450. Okay. Make sure you got the same thing here. 2450. And then we just open it up. And again, same thing. Push it in. And then push it in. Alright, that's it. Alright, and put it back, this thing back. There's a clip here, see, notice. You just push it in, flush, and you just press it down. There you go. Flush. See, it flush. Make sure everything is flush. That's it. And then put this thing back. There you go. Voila, done. Okay, that's so simple. No tools. That's it. Thanks for watching.